Uniswap explained. Everything you need to know about Uni token. Hello and welcome back to Metaverse. For today's video, we are going to be talking about Uniswap explained. Everything you need to know about Uni token. Let's get started. Uniswap exchange. You can trade Ethereum tokens via the decentralized Uniswap exchange at uniswap.org. You should now be aware that there is a Uniswap token as well, a decentralized app representation by an Ethereum token. You can trade any Ethereum token for any other Ethereum token with a Uniswap exchange, and you make a very tiny payment. It accomplishes this by acting as the food store in the essence, but not with money. Instead, they instantly provide you the apples after you hand them your potatoes. How do they accomplish this? Well, they keep a huge bin filled to the brim with apples and potatoes, so that anyone who desires to trade may do so. The grocery store merely starts charging more potatoes for each apple if someone comes in and buys a lot of apples and there aren't many apples left in the bin. For each apple, you will be required to pay 2 potatoes. Then they'll demand 3 potatoes in exchange for each apple until someone replenishes the supply with a delivery of apples. If you can understand this example, this is actually a fairly well-liked Ethereum token when you supply the supermarket, which in this instant is Uniswap. Your Ethereum is exchanged for basic attention tokens at the going rate. After you finish, the cost of a basic attention token increases. Since you purchased it, there is less of it, and the price of Ethereum has decreased. It's essentially a case of supply and demand in the grocery store because there is more of it now that you sold it to them. However, this is a Uniswap. Supply and demand. Therefore, the person who wants to trade after you will have to sell some Ethereum at a higher price or acquire basic attention token at a higher price. A few times Ethereum may be purchased at Coinbase for $2,000 by a trader. A trade it in and trade it in for 2,500 USD with Uniswap. Even though all they're really doing is balancing out this liquidity pool, they're still generating a profit. As a result, Uniswap, the grocery store, and Ethereum and basic attention token all have an equal number of potatoes and apples. Where is all that Ethereum and BAT coming from in the first place? In Uniswap, the grocery store is known as a liquidity pool. There is currently a pool of Ethereum and basic attention token, each with a large number of coins. Additionally, each of their values is set so that when more of one is traded up, the other is traded down. Second, we refer to the location where the coins originate as liquidity providers because they give the pool its first liquid assets. In actuality, becoming a liquidity provider is really simple. You only need to donate your cash and tokens to Uniswap pool, what's known as an LP. Why would you want to be an LP? To trade on Uniswap, a very modest cost was required. Well, neither the government nor Uniswap receive any money from that fee. However, it actually goes to Uniswap's stockholders, the lenders of liquidity, for letting us exchange our monies quickly, even if the cost is 0.03% every trade. If your coins are used in 10 exchanges per day for a month, that works out to 9% per month, which for any liquidity source is 108 ROI, which is a return on investment of 108%. Uniswap tokens. Uniswap has two key applications. You can exchange your Ethereum for a basic attention token for about 3% if you were a token swapper, which maybe you want to do. In fact, Uniswap today has over $1 billion, significant trade volume each day. Or you may be a liquidity provider and lend it to the pool to get a return on your investment. There are currently $9 billion spread throughout all of Uniswap's pools. This is the basic of what Uniswap is right now. You should be aware that everything's code, servers are simply running it. There are technically neither restrictions nor taxes on it. Even if someone wanted to, they couldn't do anything about it. Simply launch a different server and run the application. It works like a foreign bank, letting you convert your US dollars into Canadian dollars, then into Indian rupees, and finally into Japanese yen. However, because it is decentralized, there are hardly any fees and no taxes. See, without Uniswap exchange, you would have to sell your Ethereum before finding an exchange where you could acquire the basic attention token. Not every exchange has both of these either. Consequently, you might need to switch from one exchange to another. Uniswap provides a significant solution. The Uniswap exchange and the Uniswap coin were both developed together. Right now, there isn't much you can do with a Uniswap token purchase, but in the future, token owners ought to be able to cast votes for particular exchange-related improvements. As an illustration, it is technically code. And if token holders so desired, they may agree to change this. Therefore, if you had a lot of Uniswap and wanted to increase the trading price from 0.03% to 0.06%, you could do so. In reality, you could potentially vote on doubling the charge, but as of yet, there is no voting system in place. The token currently has no true intrinsic value. However, it doesn't depict the transaction, which is quite significant and serves a very useful purpose. Owning the Uniswap token has additional benefits, such as the potential for token holders to get a portion of future transaction proceeds, giving them essentially the same passive income as a liquidity provider. Even though everything here is speculative, we want you to be fully informed before making any financial choices. What did you learn about Uniswap in the Metaverse from our discussion? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.